Okay, we're on the record in 4 cases. The first case is cause number 322179. The second case is cause number 323629. The third case is cause number 324543. And the fourth case is cause number 324545. All 3 cases are styled the state of Texas versus Roderick Dwayne McKinney. We have Mr. McKinney appearing on Zoom. Mr. McKinney, would you please show your face on Zoom?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. McKinney, how are you doing?
I'm doing all right, Mr. Holmes.
Okay, now, Mr. McKinney, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Burbank, who is also appearing via Zoom. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Burbank, you represent Mr. McKinney on 2 of his 4 cases. Is that correct?
No, I represent all 4, Judge. You should have letters of rep on the other 2.
Okay, hold on. She's gonna check. The court coordinator said they do not have the letter of rep on the last 2 cases.
We sent them, Judge. That he hired us, probably 30 days ago on those.
Okay, what we can do, we can reset the cases, but your name is gonna be on 2 until we get the letters of rep on the other 2. If that's what you want to do, if you want to.
Okay, that's fine, Judge. Whatever you need to do is fine.
Okay, you're gonna, the court coordinator said you have to resubmit your letters of rep on the second 2 cases, on the last 2 cases.
Okay, Judge.
Okay,
All right.
how long a reset do you need?
Well, we have a felony at 1:00 today. Hopefully, the felony should be taken care of today. And then the next court setting, we should be able to take care of all the misdemeanors.
So, would 30 days be enough?
Yeah, that should be more than sufficient, Judge.
Okay, we'll reset it. Let's reset it.
I'd like to get the misdemeanors done right after the felony.
Okay, so do you need 30 days or you need a shorter period of time?
Well, let's do 30, and then if we do need a shorter period, I'll call the court and push it up.
Okay, what date do we have? Okay, these cases gonna be reset to 4/19.
Okay.
Mr. Burbank, we'll send you a copy of the notices of reset on the 2 cases. And Mr. McKinney, stay in contact with your bondsman for your resets. And Mr. McKinney, thanks for being patient with us. You've been on the phone since we started court. This will conclude did someone say something?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a concern currently, and I'm sorry it took me a minute because I had to consult with Mr. Sheriff before I was sure if I could say something.
Okay,
Go ahead.
Turn your video on. I think it went off or something.
Oh, no, he was in my office just now. He hasn't turned it on. The concern, Your Honor, is that I've heard some background noise on Mr. McKinney's iPhone, and this case has a victim in the case, and I just want to confirm that he's not with the victim currently.
No, what? I ain't with no victim of no case. Not in none of my cases.
Okay, so Ms. Ramos.
Your Honor, it appears that Mr. Roderick has somebody else in the vehicle with him, and we're kind of curious as to whether or not this is the victim of the case and if he could identify who's with him.
Look at the camera. That's one of my friends right there, and her name is Brisha with her daughter, and they have a baby right here named Summer. That's my friend's daughter. I'm not with nobody else, sir.
Okay, we just
That's
wanted.
right. We just wanted to confirm that, Your Honor.
Right, thank you.
Her name is Debreesha. His name is Dwight Isaac.
Okay.
And then y'all looking at me. Nobody is there. I'm looking at the fourth door. I'm showing y'all everybody in here.
Okay, I think the court, Your Honor, I think you should understand our concerns, and we're glad that he cooperated and alleviated those concerns.
Okay.
We are happy for you too, Raven.
Okay, Mr. Burbank, your case is going to be reset to April 19th of 2021. And Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. McKinney, this will conclude your case. You have a blessed day. And thanks for being patient with us.
Yes, sir. Thank y'all. Okay. I see you at 1 o'clock, Thomas.
Okay.
Okay, Roderick, stay safe.
All right.
Okay, Mr. Burbank, you have 2 other cases. Your first case that we have here is cause number 326622, the state of Texas versus Enoch Jose Briones. Mr. Briones, would you please come forward? Mr. Briones is appearing in person in court. His attorney, Mr. Burbank, is via Zoom. Mr. Is your full name Enoch Jose Briones?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Briones?
Good.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Briones, you're represented here by Attorney Tom Burbank, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Burbank, do you have an announcement that you would like to make in Mr. Briones' case?
Yes, Your Honor. Friday afternoon, received an offer from the state. I need my client to contact me to get him in so I can go over the offer with him. I was unable to get a hold of him Friday afternoon for today. And I think that once I be able to talk to him, then this should be dispositive of this case.
How much time?
Does that make, bottom line is, can you give me 2 weeks?
That's fine. Give us a date. Okay, it's gonna be reset till April 5th of 2021. Mr. Briones, you can stand over there on the far end in front of the court coordinator. She's gonna give you a reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Your Honor, would you make sure?
I'm on YouTube right now, but you can, do you have his phone number?
Well, I tried to contact him last week and I talked to the secretary and I haven't been able to get you, so I wanted to make sure he has my new number.
Well, just hold on a minute. Once you finish here, once we get off it, we'll be able to provide him with that, okay? So just get your reset and then have a seat. We're on the record in cause number 326940, the state of Texas versus Christopher Scott. Is that Mr. Smith?
I believe he's in custody, Judge.
No, you missed.
Is he, or is he here?
No, he's here.
He posted bond. He's got a felony, Judge,
Yeah, I see.
I believe.
Christopher Scott, how you doing, Mr. Scott? You all right? Now, Mr. Burbank, you were saying?
Yes, I forgot. We had gotten him out because his mom passed away.
Oh, sorry. to hear that.
And we are asking that this case be pushed back to the behind the felony. I think it all will be taken care of once the felony is taken care of, Judge.
You wanted to be on the same date or a different date?
Well, I mean, I think you're going to run into the same problem as McKinney, because I anticipate McKinney will be hopefully done today. So maybe a couple of days afterwards or a week afterwards, because of the 1 o'clock trial dockets, it appears that are going to be happening.
Okay, we're going to reset it for June 23rd. Okay, that's 2 days after the felony.
That'd be fine, Judge.
Okay. Now,
Now, is that at 9 o'clock?
yes, and Mr. Scott,
Okay.
you can stand over there on the X, get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.